it's Christina from Redefine Creative, and I am back with an unboxing video. And this is for my February Cheeky Studio goodies that I get to play with. And so I wanted to take just a couple of minutes and show you what I have inside so that you can kind of see what I'm going to be playing with in the month of February, because I'm super excited. Alright, so I've already opened the main package, and so of course I have the gorgeous tissue, which I always hold on to. And then I have a bunch of different goodies in here. So there's basically two, let me separate it out here, two new release collections this month. One of them is a unicorn theme, and then one of them is a pirate theme. So we've kind of got girls and boys going on, which is awesome because I scrapbook both. So let's go ahead and start with this one. This is the one that has the unicorns. So there are five, let's see if we can get a little better light, 5 flare badges. So this one says be a unicorn. This one we've got this really gorgeous rainbow. A unicorn with the rainbow, a unicorn just on white, and then this kind of like space type looking one. Really, really cute. We also have some sequins in our pack this month, and so my sequins are kind of all different shades of pinks, some clears, some white. They go along perfectly with everything that I got to work with, so that's gonna work great. All right, then I also have the sticker sheets. And so the colors on these are really pretty. We've got kind of a pink and a coral and a yellow. So this first one, I believe in unicorns. There's this magical unicorn, a circular one, a couple of florals, some glitter elements included in here. And then the B side of it has these really great borders. So we have gold stars and kind of this light turquoise, some pale pink. These clouds are really, really fun. Super, super fun little details to add to the pages. So those are the 2 sticker sheets. And then there's 2 different ephemera packs in here. This one is called Unicorns and Rainbows. The thing I love about her Cheeky Studio ephemera packs, they are super, super high quality die cuts. They do have a little bit of a white border, which I like, and they are jam-packed with stuff. So I'm not going to go through and talk to you about every single one, but we've got unicorns, we've got florals, we've got flowers and stars and glittery hearts and adorable little rainbows with some gold details. All kinds of really fun and cute little girly pieces. May all your dreams come true, magical, a whole bunch of stars and flowers. Those are fun. May all your dreams come true. So these are really, really great. I'm digging it so far. All right, then we also have this one, which is called Unicorn Mode. And this one is going to be really fun because I have a bunch of little felt clouds that I like hoard in my stash. And so they're going to combine perfectly with these. So again, we have a bunch of really fun unicorns, and these kind of like, they have a hand-drawn look to them, which is really different. We have some more rainbows with clouds, and then we have a ton of pink and then this purplish blue clouds. Tons and tons and tons and tons of clouds, and some more rainbows. But I am super excited to play with all of these clouds. And I definitely have some products already in my stash that I'm going to combine with those to create some really, really fun looks, like those felt clouds that I have. All right, so that's the girly products that I got for this month. So you can look forward to seeing those. And then the ones that I am most excited about are the pirate collection. So I have a wood veneer, and the wood veneer I got here, I wanted to show it to you because it's really, really fun. Okay, so it says Sweet Boy, and it's a thicker wood veneer, so it's not going to fall apart, it's not going to break on you. It is a little bit thicker, and then I love that it has the 2 different fonts, so that's going to be really, really fun. I also have the 5 pieces of flair for this collection. So we have a pirate flag, a ship, and a treasure chest. And then we also have a little parrot that just says ARG. And then we have Ahoy Matey. So those are going to be so cute and fun. I don't know about you guys, but I have tons of pirate stuff for my boys when they were little. So, all right. So this is the ephemera pack. But we have all kinds of pictures of treasure hunts and things that we did. But we also have a lot of pictures from going to Disneyland and Disney World, for that matter. They did the pirate experience where they get to dress up like a pirate and have like a big adventure. When we were in Disney World, we did a pirate cruise and all kinds of pirate related stuff at Disney. So I'm super excited to get some of those things documented. All right, so this ephemera pack is called Ahoy, and it has phenomenal pirate details. So check out all of these banners. Loads and loads and loads of banners, which are so super fun. Oh, I love them. I totally want to go in and put little mini Mickey heads in between when I do some of those Disney pages. We've got pirate flags. We've got all kinds of little gemstones, a shark fin. Oh my gosh, look at this guy. Oh, he is so cool. He would work with my Legoland pictures too. We've got a hook, a banner. That could be used for anything. Pirate hat, compass, swords, pirate ship wheels. Oh my gosh, these are going to be amazing. These are perfect. I have so many stories to go along with these. Look at how many little teeny tiny amazing details there are here, you guys. Tons! Oh, I love it. Oh, look at all the little the parrots. A map. Oh, look at the treasure map. These are so fun. Palm trees, treasure chest, pirate ship, more little pirate people, message in a bottle. Oh, we did message in a bottle when we were on vacation in Hawaii. And I have pictures of my kids throwing their messages in a bottle into the ocean. So that would be really cute for that. More little pirate people. Look how many pieces are in here. Oh my gosh, you guys. I'm going to be able to do a ton of their pages with these. And then everything's going to coordinate. And it's going to be perfect. So that is the Ahoy set. I highly recommend this one. Like, I like the unicorns and rainbows, but I love this collection. This is going to be so fun. All right, guys. Maybe I'll even stitch a treasure map in, like, the background, like, of a 12 by 12 layout. And then use some of the icons as little spots on my stitched treasure map. Oh, I'm so excited. I can't wait to dig into this one. All right, guys, these are the 2 sets of things that I am going to be working with from Cheeky Studio throughout the month of February. I would love it if you stop over in the store and pick up some of this stuff so that you can play along with me, because I would love to see you inspired and creating with these goodies throughout the month right alongside me. And I would love to see what you make as well. So definitely check out Cheeky Studio and come back in February when I am playing and working with all of these really, really cute things, especially those pirates. Oh my gosh, love that set. All right, bye guys.